At Rukmini Pusalkar Vidyalaya, education goes beyond textbooks in classrooms. It is our commitment to go back to the society or the places where we grew up and teach them and inspire them with what we know. Our students this year conducted the student-led movement at Jade in collaboration with the Gram Panchayat. With confidence and purpose, they addressed pressing issues such as food security, cyber crime, hidden dangers in packaged foods and soft drinks, and environmental protection. This is not just an event, it's a tradition and our commitment. Every year, we empower our students to step up, speak out, and give back to the society. Because true learning happens when knowledge turns into action. ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು, ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು PDO ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಶಂಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟರು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾರಣೀಕೃತರಾದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.